Hello. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. Welcome sa ating channel. At bago tayo magpatuloy ay pakihingi ng isang like and subscribe. At huwag kalimutang pindutin ang notification bell para lagi tayong updated sa mga bagong upload natin. Okay, so our topic is about general quadratic trinomial ax squared plus bx plus c where a is equal to 1. Okay, so to factor general trinomial, so letter A, meron tayong steps dito, tatlo. So yung A, list possible factors of C. Okay, mamaya explain natin to isa-isa. Letter B, find the factors of C whose sum is equal to constant B. And letter C, express the binomial factors of the trinomial. Okay, so proceed tayo sa ating example. Okay, number 1, factor x squared plus 5x plus 6. Okay, una, kunin muna natin yung value ng a. Tapos yung b na constant ay 5. Tapos yung c ay 6. Okay, ngayon, hanap tayo ng mga possible factors of c. Di ba? Si 6. Okay, factors of 6. Tapos, yung step 2, yung sum naman. Sum ni B. So, that is 5. Sum of positive 5. So, ano yung mga factors ng 6? Try natin yung 1 times 6. That is equal to 6. Ano pa? Negative 1 times negative 6. That is equal to positive 6. Negative 3 times negative 2, that is equal to positive 6. Positive 2 times positive 3, that is equal to positive 6. Okay, ito yung tama. Tama na yan lahat, di ba? So, ngayon, dito naman tayo sa sum of 5. So, try natin ito. So, 1 times 6. So, 1 plus 6, kasi sum naman. That is 7. So, hindi pwede. Ang hinahanap natin is 5. So, negative 1 plus negative 6, that is negative 7. Hindi pa rin pwede. What about si negative 3 plus negative 2, that is negative 5. Hindi pa rin pwede. Kasi positive 5 yung hinahanap natin. Try natin yung last one. Positive 2 plus 3, that is equal to 5. So, therefore, ang factor natin hinahanap ay si 2 at saka si 3. Ngayon, yung factors natin, yung binomial factor, si first factor natin ay x plus 2, tapos x plus 3. Okay, so this is your final answer. Okay, so let's proceed to example number 2. X squared minus 3x minus 10. So, una, kunin natin yung A is 1, B is negative 3, tapos yung C is negative 10. Kaya hanap tayo ng mga possible factors of negative 10 na ang kanilang sum ay negative 3. Okay? So, possible factors of negative 10. Sorry. Tapos, ang sum naman is negative 3. Ang factors ng negative 10 ay negative 1 times 10. That is negative 10. Negative 10 times 1 equals negative 10. Negative 2 times 5, that is negative 10. Negative 5 times 2, that is negative 10. Okay, yan ang mga possible factors of negative 10. Ngayon, hanap naman tayo ng sum of negative 3. Okay, gamitin pa rin natin ito si negative 1 plus 10. So, that is equal to 9. Si negative 10, i-add natin kay 1, that is negative 9. Si 2 naman, negative 2 plus 5 is positive 3. Hindi pa rin pwede. So, negative 5 plus 2 is equal to negative 3. Okay, so ito yung factors natin. Si negative 5 at saka positive 2. So, therefore, x is equal to negative 5. Tapos yung isa, x is equal to positive 2. Okay, so this is your final answer. Okay po, at maraming salamat sa panonood. At again, sa hindi pa nakasubscribe, paki-subscribe na lang at huwag kalimutang pindutin ang notification bell para lagi tayong updated sa mga bagong upload natin. Maraming salamat and God bless.